Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to link TikTok account to Facebook. Well, this is very easy thing to do. So you have to just go to the profile icon here, which is on the bottom right side of your TikTok account, and just tap on edit profile. So to link it, you can see this is social, so you can just do your YouTube account, right? So if I just tap on, I will be able to add my YouTube account here. Same way I will able to add my Instagram account here, right? So if I just click on add Instagram, it will redirect to my Instagram account and I have to log in, and then I will be able to add my Instagram account. But how I can add my Facebook account? Well, there is no any option to add your Facebook account, but there's a one more way, which is basically bio. So you can just copy your Facebook profile link here and paste it over here and just click on save. So whenever a person will open your account, they will see your Facebook link as well as your Instagram and YouTube too. So this is how you can link TikTok account to Facebook. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.